Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. That generation here from year 2008 all the way to year 2024 currently. If you want to see, guys, how to replace cabin air filters, step-by-step instructions, how to make your car smell like brand new again, stay with us. We'll cover that absolutely free for your convenience in this video today. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix pretty much anything. Transmissions, body, engines, codes, fuses. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Also check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, first step, what we need to do, we need to pop the hood open. So let me go ahead, open the hood, and we'll explain what else we need to do. Okay, let's see if we can, reach from here. Okay, perfect. Now, once you guys open your hood from there, okay, let's see where the thing is now. Perfect, just like that. What we need to do to locate the cabin air filter, you need to come, to that slot right here. So in order to replace it, guys, we need to open these two clips, push them back towards the front of the vehicle, and that cap will open. Then how you guys pull that thing out? What do we need to do? Here you can see the filter, is inside, right? It's inside, that cover right here. So that cover, you just pull in, it opens. Now it might be stuck here a little bit, so you might help it a little bit, guys, to stay open, and then you grab it, and you pull it. Now it's very limited room, guys. And let me see if I can open it all the way, so I can pull it this way out. Perfect, and it came out, guys. This is the old filter. Now this is, guys, a cheap filter. You don't want that kind of filter in your car. You want a carbon activated filter in most cases. Why? Because it's going to remove the gas smell when you drive in town behind other vehicles. It's going to purify your air even more. This is a heavy filter, super well built filter. Watch how thick it is. Look at that one. That one, I don't know about that thing, guys. I don't feel safe having that filter in my cabin. So let's go ahead and put it together now. So guys, now when you install the filter, it's very important to follow the directions of airflow. The arrow needs to point to the inside. So we're going to go ahead, come here in the slot. Very limited room, guys, here, very limited room, but eventually, it'll get in here. Perfect, and all we have to do now, close the cap. Let me see if it got all the way in. Might need to position it a little bit on this side. And then we're practically, guys, in. All we have to do, let me inspect everything, and we're ready to close the cap here. And we're ready, to install that that trim piece here. Perfect, just like that. So that's how you guys replace cabin air filter on Dodge Challenger. It's not complicated, guys. If you have one of those, guys, we'll be making probably more than 1,000 videos on Dodge Challenger, how to fix things, guys, how to take things apart, how to fix transmissions, engine, fuses, all that stuff, guys. All that will be on our channel, so please check it out, guys. We're here to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching. See you next time.